Well, my first plan was I got this 65 Mustang gas tank. I was going to mount right there, but I don't like it. I've been thinking about it a couple of days. I don't like it. So I think I spent like $125, $130 for that tank years back, and it's been in my storage ever since. So I can spend another $20 more. I think it's 152 bucks for a nice fuel cell that'll fit a lot better than that. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Anyway, fuel cell that I think I'm going to buy is going to fit right here. It's tall, and it go down there. It's going to stick up 4 inches above this, but it's 7 inches, so it'll be just 4 inches sticking up right there. But most of it will be down below the deck, if you want to call this a deck. I'm going to build a deck here. So I think I'm going to do that. It gives me a lot more room back there. That's what we're going to do. Yeah, I'm not going to use that tank. I put it back in the box. Put it back out there in storage, like I've done several times before. Bring it in here and don't work, bring it back to storage. So yeah, Mustang tank going back to storage. I went ahead and ordered the one that's going to stand up back there in the back. The only bad thing about it is if somebody rear ends the car, the tank's probably going to bust open. But man, this car, these old cars, they're not set up to take an impact anyway. So you drive around a rat rod, you better hope nobody runs into you, because you ain't got no protection there. I did go around, finish a 1x all the way around the roof, front of the door, and behind the door. That'll help a little bit. I mean, that's just a little bit of rollover protection, and I mean, if you get hit lightly, it might help you out with. But yeah, these things are just cool, fun to drive, but as far as being safe, they're not safe at all. Another thing is, it's not gonna have your windows, so this thing's gonna be like just like a parachute going down the road. If you try to go fast, it's just gonna catch air. You see that the way the back's built, the way the back end of the car is built, just like a big air scoop. So, but that's that. And the reason I said that, I thought about putting a 700R4 transmission with an overdrive in it, so I could cruise on interstate and stuff. But I said, well, this car is not a go fast car, just simple as that. If I enclosed it, put all the windows in, and it'd be a little bit more of a go fast car. I wouldn't catch so much air, but the way it is now, it's going to catch a lot of air. You don't want it to go fast, so I'm going to put the turbo 350 in it, which I had planned to start with. So it's going to have 373 locker rear end, 373 gears with no overdrive. So if I build a 327 like I want, which is a shorter stroke, higher RPM motor, cruising at 70 won't be no problem. I don't know if I want to go that fast in it, but as far as cruising, maybe down the track might top it out, wherever how fast it'll go, but not cruising. So I ordered the tank, so kind of held up on the back. So what I want to do now is get in here and mount steering box and brake pedal, master cylinder, brake pedal, all that good stuff. And so I got the original steering box here. I'm gonna clean it up, take the shaft out, take it apart, and get it mounted. I'll mount it in the firewall. Hopefully I want to mount it in the firewall. I mean in the inside the cowl. Have the arm come out the side. We're gonna see how all that goes. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna clean the steering box up and see how I'm gonna mount that. I figure it out as I go. In case you guys hadn't already figured that out, I don't know how everything works until I start putting it in. So steering box, I don't know yet how I'm gonna mount it, but we're gonna find out. Saginaw gear. Okay, after about an hour and a half, I got the steering wheel off, tube off, cleaned up. Yep, cut the shaft. Y'all know me, I'm not scared to cut nothing. It's gonna have to be cut sooner or later anyway. So yeah, cut the shaft so it'll be easier to work with. So now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna mount the bad boy and make it turn the wheels when you turn the steering wheel. All right. Appreciate you.